So if you look at this, my particular account right now, you see that every single day for the past 3 months, I have always made sales. There's no day that I have not made sales except one day. And obviously, I always make sales every single day on Amazon. And the reason why I always make sales on every single day on Amazon is because when I started Amazon KDP, I noticed that there's a particular pattern by which you can consistently make sales on Amazon every single day. So some people just make sales once or twice or 3 times a week. For me, what I intentionally wanted to do was to make sure that every single day I'm making sales. So I had to find out how that worked, and I followed the rules, and now I'm reaping the dividends of that particular decision that I've made. So in this video, I want to show you the exact same process that I've used over the years on Amazon that has helped me maintain consistent daily sales, so that you too can do the same thing and always, every single day make sales on Amazon KDP. So let's start with the first thing I focus on. So the first thing I always focus on is I choose niches that are evergreen. So what are evergreen niches? These are niches that the books in that niche, people are always buying it all year round. So these are not books that are like Christmas books, because right now, this is June. Nobody is buying Christmas books now. So people buy Christmas books during Christmas, right? So obviously during Christmas, sales of almost every niche increases, but people that are selling purely Christmas books only make sales during that particular season. So if you're now focusing on, let's say, Father's Day or Mother's Day or Easter or Halloween, all these particular books are season based, right? They are seasonal. So I choose to focus on niches that are evergreen. So whether it's January or February or March or April, whether it's school season or raining season or summer or winter, whenever the time, people are always wanting those kind of books. And how do you actually find those kind of books? These books are books that people can use on a day-to-day basis for their like everyday life. Right. So if you find those kind of books, it is easier to make sales on a regular basis because people always need those kind of books. So that's the first thing I focused on. So my books are always in niches that are evergreen. Now, another thing I also focus on is I always focus on niches that have demand, right? So demand is a very important thing when it comes to making money on Amazon KDP. You must make sure that, okay, even though this niche is an evergreen niche, are people really buying from that particular niche? Right. So for example, one of the things I do before I even publish any books on Amazon KDP or trying to find any niche is that I have to find out in that niche that I'm about to go into, which books have been performing well over the past 3 years. So I can easily use a software like Helion 10 to understand or to find out if these books in these niches are doing well over a long period of time. So there are some niches that are just, let's say, how will I describe it? They're just hype, right? They just come as a result of hype. But there are some niches that have been there for a long time and people have been buying it. So those kind of niches are the kind of niches I prefer going into. So niches that there's demand, and the demand is that the best selling books in that niches, their bestseller rank is actually below 10,000, right? So they have been doing that for a long period of time. And in this case, this is not based on just one influencer, right? So some people actually publish books in influencer niches where the books primarily sell because there's one influencer online or a big figure online. But I'm talking about books in a regular niche. People keep buying them over and over again. Right. So that's something I actually focus on that helps me make daily sales on Amazon. And if you have not already subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button right now. Now, the next thing I do in order for me to make daily sales on Amazon KDP is that I try as much as possible to publish books in multiple niches. So sometimes a particular niche might not really do well in a particular period of time. So you need another niche that is doing well to complement. So if you have like 3 niches or 4 niches that you have books in, and I'm not talking about just one book, because how I do Amazon KDP, which if you have been watching my channel for a while, you know, is that I try to create multiple books in one niche. So a book supports another book. another book. So I call it complementary book. So after you have done your complementary book, so you are building like a brand in the niche. You don't just remain in the niche, because sometimes sales might be down. It's just how the market works. So you want another niche that is not the same with that one, so that if sales is down for this particular niche, sales will be up for the other niche. So having at least 3 to 4 different niches that you have books published in those niche would help you make consistent daily sales on Amazon KDP. So that's something I focus on when it comes to making sales consistently on Amazon. Now, after doing that, the next thing I also do that have helped me seriously, this is like one of the things that have really helped me make consistent sales on Amazon, is that I sell my books in multiple markets. So some people only focus in English speaking markets, so US market, UK market, Australian market. So these are like the places where they get their sales from. But for me, I know that there are other markets that Amazon have stores in. So for example, Amazon have stores in Spain, they have their market in Germany, they have their market in Italy, and they have their market in other non-English speaking countries. So I make sure that I publish books in these languages. So if the English market is not doing well, the German market would be, or the French market would be, or the Italian market would be, or the Spanish market would be. So if you have books in different markets, there's no how you are not going to be making daily sales, right? So this is something that I have focused on doing for like a very long time. I made sure that if I want to go into a niche, I ask myself, okay, is this niche translatable? Can I translate a book that I've made in English to French, to Spanish, to German? So I'll show you in the screen right now my dashboard, so that you can see how my sales, just for this particular month, where my sales has been coming from. It has not been limited only to, and this is just for like one account. So it has not been limited only to the US market. Obviously, the US market have like the highest market share, but other markets are still contributing to what I make on Amazon, right? So if you follow these particular processes that I have explained to you in this video, you get to understand that it is very easy to make consistent sales, right? So some people making consistent sales is like very well to them. They make sales today, they don't make sales tomorrow. But for you to maintain these consistent sales, you have to do these things that I've said, right? Because these are the things I did that have helped me make consistent sales on Amazon. So if you want a one-on-one coaching with me, I have an open slot for like 3 persons that can come in and have like a one-on-one mentorship program for the next 3 months. So if you are interested, you can actually click on the link in the description. Another thing you actually have to do if you want to start making more sales on Amazon consistently, you have to also sell outside of Amazon. That means you can actually draw traffic from outside sources into Amazon. And one of the best places to do that is through Pinterest. Pinterest is a very free way that you can use to draw traffic into Amazon in almost any niche that you are in, right? So if you want to know exactly how you can use Pinterest to draw traffic to your book and get sales on Amazon, what you have to do now is that you have to actually watch this video here, where I show you the step-by-step process that you can actually use to begin to use Pinterest to get sales for yourself on Amazon.